Hi everybody, my name is Anand Mashukla and I study in class 9B of A4 School Bagogra. Today I have created a device and name of the device is water level indicator. The motive of creating this device is to prevent water wastage in our daily life. As we fill the water in a particular substance, so sometimes we do not know that the substance is filled with water and the water keep on wasting. So when we will insert this device into the particular object, and as the water will touch the top of the level, so this device will automatically start producing sound and make us to know that the object is filled with water, and now we have to stop the flow of water. So I have created this project with the help of two pencils which are sharpened from both the sides, one 9-volt battery, few rubber bands, one buzzer, one battery cap, and one scale. So I connected both the pencil from both the side of the 9-volt battery with the help of rubber band. Then I connected the battery cap with the 9-volt battery, and the positive wire of the 9-volt battery I connected it with the positive wire of the buzzer, and the negative wire of battery and the buzzer I connected with the tip of the pencil. Now I inserted the scale on the back side of the 9-volt battery with the help of rubber band, and now my model is completed, and now we will test it that it is working or not. As I fill the water into this particular object, so as the water touches the tips of the pencil which are inserted inside this glass, the buzzer will automatically start producing sound. So many of you will wonder that why only the buzzer start producing sound as the water touches the tips of the pencil. This is because that as this water contain ions, and when the ion touches the tips of the pencil which are made up of graphite, it makes the circuit complete, and hence the buzzer starts producing sound. So now I will fill the water into this particular object. Now you can hear this sound, this alerting sound which is produced by the buzzer. So it is making us to know that this substance is filled with water, and now we have to stop the flow of water in it. So this device will help us to prevent water wastage in our daily life, and conserve water for future use also. Thank you.